Namaskar, this is Rahul Phate. Ketaki Daywear Ultrapotent Beautifying Antioxidant Cream. The name of this product itself talks so many things about you. It is Ketaki Daywear Cream. Means it's a daywear cream which protects your skin from sun rays, light. At the same time, it gives you super beautifying effect. When you apply it on the face, it forms a uniform, shining, pearlescent film on your skin, which changes your appearance within few seconds. Next very important thing is, it is an ultra potent cream because it contains concentrated form of certain cosmeceutical ingredients which helps reducing the tan, reducing the patchiness, dark spots from your face. And these ingredients are concentrated cucumber extract, niacinamide and arbutin. All the three ingredients are very well known for their tan reducing and patchiness reducing activity, and also they responsibly help reducing the spots from your skin. So ultra potent, and it is antioxidant cream with vitamin E and other antioxidants in this cream. So if you think about its complete day care, just apply it on your face and feel the difference. Second very important thing is, although it is ultra potent, ultra concentrated and gives superb results, still this is a very economical class of cream for your daily usage. Ketaki Daywear Ultrapotent Beautifying Antioxidant Cream will change the destiny of your skin through so many ways: sun protection, antioxidant effect, saving from pollution, providing pearlescent film which will give you immediate good looks, at the same time the tan reducing action of this cream. So if we look into all these panchatatvas of Ketaki, I'll say it is one of the fantastic creams for all the people who have dry skin, men as well as women.